Nokia continues to announce its regular phones that withstand hard labor and announces Nokia 235 4G 2024. Through the video, we will learn about the full specifications and open the box. In the end, we will talk about the price. Follow us. Welcome my friends again. I will first start with the announcement of the phone and its release in the global market. The phone will be announced on April 30, 2024. The release is on May 8, 2024. Dimensions: length 127.25 mm, width 54.2 mm. Supports two 4G nano SIM. RAM and internal and external memory. RAM at 64 MB. Internal memory 128 MB. It is available to add an external micro SD card up to 32 GB. The phone supports wireless FM radio and has a built-in antenna. There is also a 3.5 mm headphone jack. Battery: it has a capacity of 1450 mAh. The battery can be removed, and the Type-C charging port. Screen specifications: Type TFT LCD 2.8-inch QVGA resolution 240 by 320 pixels. Software and hardware: S30 Plus Unisoc T107 processor with 22 nanometers manufacturing technology. 1 GHz Cortex A7. Rear camera 2 MP and supports video shooting with LED flash. Colors: blue, turquoise, mauve black. The contents of the phone box: phone removable battery, Type-C charger, quick start guide, warranty certificate. Priced $85. I hope you liked the video. Do not skimp on our support, like the video and subscribe to the channel.